The drought might finally end. Royal Challengers Bengaluru has marched into the IPL 2025 final, sending fans into frenzy with an 8-wicket demolition of Punjab Kings. This is RCB's fourth entry into the title clash, their first since 2016. But all eyes are now on June 3rd. Can they finally lift the elusive trophy? Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar, Krunal Pandya and company celebrated wildly in Mullanpur after the win. But what stole the internet was a woman in the crowd holding a poster that read, "If RCB loses, I will divorce my husband." The photos gone viral. RCB spinner Suyash Sharma was unplayable, picking 3 for 17 and dismantling Punjab's batting. Chasing a meager 101, Phil Salt's exclusive 54 not out ensured a cakewalk with 10 overs to spare. The countdown to Ahmedabad has begun. Will RCB finally break the jinx? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Salar Digital for more updates.